it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do keto diet meal prep and our keto meal plan for the entire week with a ketogenic meal prep coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost 67 pounds through keto and intermittent fasting prior to my pregnancy, but now I am keto preggers, and I wanted to talk on today's video a little bit about doing keto diet meal prep and how do you plan your whole meal plan for the week keto style. Let's make this the ketogenic diet meal prep for the week and keep life simple, keep life easy. But before I dive in, first make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up, make sure you click subscribe and click on the bell down below. And this video is sponsored by Stupid Simple Keto. Thank you! I'm going to show you all the amazing things that I've been working with through my keto pregnancy. Things have changed, right? I've lost 67 pounds through keto, and now I'm switching up my LCHF meal planning because life has changed. And I will put down in the description below, I previously used keto meal prep Post-its. It was my own system that I had, but have since moved to the Stupid Simple Keto meal prep plan. It's really simple, and that's, if y'all know me, this is Royal Weight Loss meets real life here on the Countess of Low Carb channel. So I needed to have LCHF meal prep that was easy, simple, that I could do in a jiffy, particularly already having a 3-year-old and then a baby coming along the way. So with this ketogenic diet meal plan, my meal prep is simple, and I'm going to show you how I go through. Literally, it takes me under 15 minutes to figure this whole thing out, but I am obsessed with the Stupid Simple Keto system that they have. This awesome magnet goes on my refrigerator. I plan out my weekly meals of what I'm going to do for dinner, and I've done other videos for my keto meals, so I'm not going to dive too much into like what my keto meal plan actually is, but I will link below all of the keto meals I've included. So if you want the recipes for those, you can happily get those down below because I've done other videos on them. But the thing that I'm obsessed about with the Stupid Simple Keto meal planning is that on here it has all of the net carbs to help me figure out what I'm going to have. So I can easily plan my week. And then over here I can look up how much is the salad going to be in net carbs, how much is the meat going to be in net carbs. In terms of my fats, what's that going to be? If I'm going to add nuts into it, what's that going to be? Fruits, things like that. So it makes it super, super simple for lazy keto and for just regular keto style meal prep. So for my for low carb meal prep, this is totally included as well, because low carb, it has the net carbs here on the left side. On the right side's the actual plan. And then at the very bottom on the magnet, it has the shopping list. So say you run out of ricotta cheese or you run out of heavy whipping cream, although I doubt you'll run out of butter. But if you need those, you can put those down on the shopping list below. But so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you kind of how I work through my full keto diet meal plans for easy keto, because that's what I follow. Easy keto or lazy keto is keto, which is high fat, moderate protein, low carb, but you don't track all of your macros. You track your net carbs or carbs, but you don't track the fat and you don't track the protein with it. So, and still being able to lose weight and have a healthy pregnancy with that too. So let me show you, by the way, do you guys like my hat? I'm obsessed with that. I will put that in the description link below too, as this meal plan magnet mat. It's amazing. Let me flip the camera around. So here is the incredible weekly plan, the ketogenic meal prep plan sheet that Stupid Simple Keto has, which I'm obsessed with. The back of it is a magnet, and this is easy just to put on the fridge. So the left side has all of the net carbs. You can see in here the specific net carbs, say for romaine lettuce, how much is it? And it makes it simple to figure out how many net carbs, if I'm having 20 net carbs or under for the day, what I'm going to have. So here's my plan for the week. I do dinners because we typically make extra dinner, and I will make that my lunch the next day. It's really simple. And then on terms of for Five Guys, I have freezer meals. So this day, since there wouldn't be leftovers from Five Guys, will be freezer meals that I already have done, which I'll put in the description link below if you want like my freezer meals, how I do keto low carb and keto meal prep, but freezer style. So I have a keto crock pot, and all of these recipes I will also put in the description link below. But so I have a keto crock pot on Monday. Tuesday is going to be salad. Particularly with my keto pregnancy, I really am craving a ton of salad. So spinach, romaine lettuce, those are my jam these days, but I will have that with tuna fish and with mayonnaise. The mayonnaise, I use the Primal mayonnaise because there's less soybean oil. We'll go out to Five Guys for dinner. For one of our keto meals will be Five Guys. Thursday will be a keto steak salad. Friday, and I'll add extra butter on top of that too. Friday, we're gonna have like a breakfast for dinner meal for my keto diet meal prep. These are already frozen. I typically make these, my keto pancakes and my keto bagels, which I'll put the recipes down below. It's also in my Amazon book too, but the keto pancakes, I will make those every couple of months and then freeze them. So then these will just be a quick microwave thing, put some heavy whipping cream on top, and can add even some like vanilla extract to the heavy whipping cream. That is awesome. And I may add on to that some raspberries, which you can see right here, a fourth a cup of raspberries is 1.5 net carbs. Here on Saturday is gonna be pizza. It's gonna be keto pizza. I will put my recipe for my keto pizza down below. And then Sunday we'll have my keto pepperoni cups. I'm sure you guys cannot read my handwriting. I don't have the best handwriting, but my pepperoni cups are super, super simple to make. I realized as I was going through my meal prep, the shopping list for this is I need ricotta cheese, almond flour, 2 tubs of cream cheese, and I need to buy my roast from Farm Fresh. They're the grass-fed meat system where I buy all of my meat from. And so this keeps it super, super simple to do keto meal plan. Like meal planning for the week is super easy now. I just look at this on my refrigerator with the magnet on it. It's super, super simple. Another thing that Stupid Simple Keto does offer is MCT to go travel packets. I will put those in the description link below. Full disclosure, I have not had these with my pregnancy. I have been extremely sensitive to my fats. I've been, like, my stomach has just been super sensitive with them. So I've not personally tried these, but the ingredients look good to me. They're travel, they're easy, it's powder in there, and that you can easily put your MCT oil in it. It says 0 carbs. It also says no maltodextrin, and it's really convenient to go. So, and they come in a pack of 7 is included in that, which I will also put in the description link below. And you can check out the ingredients too for yourself before purchasing them. So that's our video. I'm obsessed with my hat, by the way. It's taking me back. It's taking me back to my college days. I used to wear a bunch of hats like these. So I'm gonna wear this. I'm so excited to wear this today. It's my new outfit. I love it. Keto AF. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. Check out my other LCHF meal prep, meal planning videos of how I've lost all this weight and had a keto pregnancy. It's through tools like this that make keto easy. Like, keto can be easy keto, lazy keto. That's the way I do. I subscribe to that where it's not painful. So if you like this video, click like, click subscribe, and go check out the description link below to get your own magnet meal prep mat. Bye guys.